Hello and welcome to the eIFUApp tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of signing in to your eIFUApp account. So, let's get started. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to https://admin.ifu.app. This is the gateway to accessing your eIFUApp account. Take your time to type in the URL correctly and hit Enter. Once you've reached the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Input your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check your information to ensure accuracy. After entering your credentials, click on the Continue button. This action will initiate the authentication process, verifying your account details. Upon successful authentication, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Now, locate and click on your eIFUApp to access its features and functionalities. Before proceeding, here's a quick tip to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure to accept cookies on the website. This is usually a small pop-up notification. Click I understand to enable the necessary functionalities. And there you have it. You've successfully signed in to your eIFUApp account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. eIFUApp is a brand of Pangea Holdings. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more eIFUApp tutorials. Have a great day.